What's up guys, my name is Nicardo Shirley. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I encourage you to take that first step. In today's video, I'm going to share with you ways a small YouTuber can make a lot of money on YouTube or monetize your channel, make some cool bucks, right? And I know some of you as a small YouTuber, you might know only one way to make money on YouTube, and that is through YouTube Adsense, getting your channel monetized and playing ads. That's one way, but there are several different ways you can monetize your YouTube channel, and let's get into the video. So as a small creator, you already know the first method that I'm going to speak about, and that is through YouTube Adsense, right? So before you can make money on your YouTube channel in this method, you have to get your channel monetized. And before you can get your channel monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 hours watch time. So yes, so after you reach those two requirements, 1,000 hours subscriber, the 1,000 subscriber, the 4,000 hours watch time, you will apply for the YouTube partner program, and if you get accepted, you will be able to run ads on your YouTube channel. So those ads that you see on person YouTube channel, they make some bucks off those. So but each channel makes difference in the YouTube ads program, the YouTube partnership program. This comes down to the CPM, how much advertiser is willing to pay to put ads on your channel. The CPM, cost per 1,000 views. Each channel makes different CPM. Say for instance you are in the finance niche, you're probably making $30 per CPM per 1,000 views. And if you are in, say for instance, example, you are in the entertainment niche, you probably make $10 per 1,000 views. And this is because, say for instance, you are finance, you probably have a more mature audience. If you're talking about how to increase your credit score, how to buy a car, how to mortgage your first home, the probability that the audience that you have are really mature audience. Those are persons who are willing to invest. Those are persons that are willing to spend. So advertiser willing to put ads on your video to get some of your mature audience traffic, because those persons who are willing to purchase a home. So if they say I will pay you $30 to put ads on your videos, right, to get the mature audience who is likely to invest, who is likely to purchase a home and stuff like that, compared to a prank channel who the audience is more in the teens or younger, in between 18 to 25. The audience is young probability. So person who watch entertainment, so the advertiser will probably say, alright, $10 to put ads in front of your audience. I don't really need your audience, I will pay $10. That's what I get from it, but something like that. So yes, so each channel make different CPM, but if you are in a finance niche, education niche, probably 20 CPM and you will make some cool bucks. Alright, so the next way that you can earn revenue is through sponsorship. Sponsorship, unlike YouTube monetization where you're required 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time before you can make your first cent, with sponsorship, if you have a YouTube channel that is doing good and say a brand out there sees potential in your YouTube channel, or for some reason you don't reach the 1,000 subscribers yet or the 4,000 hours of watch time, but your channel has potential, you're still getting a lot of views, business or a company might reach out to you and say, hey, can you promote this product on your YouTube channel for me? I will give you X amount of money or X amount. So you cut a deal, you sign a contract with them, they give you X amount of money to shout out their product within your videos and stuff like that, to wear their merch, to try on their product. They will even send you free products to show in your videos. Yes, so that's one way that you can earn money on the platform, sponsorship. And next on our list we have affiliate marketing. This one you don't need 1,000 subscriber or 4,000 hours watch time. This one is closely related to the sponsorship. with affiliate marketing, what it is say for instance I purchased this phone. I purchased this phone on Amazon. I can go on Amazon and join their affiliate program where I put a link to this phone within my video description. So each person who click the link in my video description and purchase a product or purchase this phone on Amazon, I will get a percentage of the cost of that phone. Say for instance 1% or 2% or a fixed cost, whatever the affiliate program deal is, you'll get a fixed cost or stuff. So this one you don't have to require the 4,000 hours of watch time, and you don't require the 1,000 subscribers. All you need is a loyal fan base who will support your video and purchase something from your link. So if you are in the tech, this works best with persons who are in the tech, or say for instance you are in the blogging. You can showcase, hey, this is my camera, I purchased this camera on Amazon. Hey, this is my new phone that I purchased. If you want it, you can just click the link in my description and purchase it. So that's another way that you can get monetized on YouTube, is by using affiliate links. Next way that I have that you can get monetized on YouTube is Patreon. So what Patreon is like OnlyFans. Don't get me wrong, don't it's like OnlyFans. Say for instance I do vlog, pranks and stuff like that. Some content that can't be shown on YouTube, I might say, hey, click over Patreon where I show the full video or the behind the scene of this video and stuff like that. If you have a loyal community that will support you, want to see behind the scene clips, want to see some special things that you don't do on YouTube, you can do that on Patreon. Person will say, hey, alright, $5 per month to get exclusive content. They join the community, and that's another way that you can earn some side money on YouTube without having to join the YouTube partner program. You don't have to have 1,000 subscribers. You don't have to have 4,000 hours watch time. All you need is a loyal community who is willing to support you, and that's it. So Patreon is a very cool way. It's like a OnlyFans, but say for instance YouTube OnlyFans. You get the comparison that I'm making. Another way that you can get earn some side hustle on YouTube, make money on YouTube, is by creating your own product and selling it. What I mean when I say create your own product and selling it is, say for instance I'm an educational channel. I teach you how to do public speaking. I teach you how to I educate you. Maths, I teach you how to do maths. I teach you graphic design. I teach you video editing. What I could do, I could create a course on whatever online platform. I create that course and offer it to my audience. So I say, hey, I just create a course where I teach you how to edit your videos, how to edit your thumbnails. The link in the description take you to my website. You pay X amount of money to get access to the online information, basically. So I create my own ebook, or I create my own course. You can go to my website or any third-party website that I use and gain access to the information for a monthly subscription cost or a one-time payment. The next way is also, this one is close to creating an online course. You can also create your own product. So if I have some product that I have a physical store, because I already have the audience on YouTube, right? I can also promote my own brand on YouTube, promote my own product that I offer physically. So unlike the e-course, the online course that I provide educational content for you guys, where you can go to my website and check out my educational content, I have a physical store now. So if say for instance I do baking cake, I can say, hey guys, if you need cake, come to corner shop, put the address, you guys come and stuff like that. That's one way you can earn bucks. It's different from the other methods, but it works. You promote your brand, promote your service that you offer. If you have a loyal customer base or your audience is into that kind of thing, it's easy promotion and they will head over to your shop. You make money. Yes, by YouTube. And last on my list, guys, this is one way, and this only works for if you have a loyal customer base or you're a very big following, you have a large audience. Basically, merch. Say for instance, I have a Mickey Mouse shirt, I print Mickey Mouse. If my subscribers like Mickey Mouse, they will purchase a shirt from me. Or if, say for instance, they don't even like Mickey Mouse, but they want to support the cars, they support me. Of course, support your creator. This is one way you can support your creator. Purchase one of their merch, stuff like that. Endorse, of course, and that's another side hustle. So there's several different ways you can make money from YouTube. These are just some that I, from memory. There's tons. So if you're a small creator and you want to start, it's worth it in the long run, because you can get monetized in so many different ways. It's just you have to tap into that money making. Can't find the word, but again, my name is Nicardo. Shirley, thanks for watching. Hope you do enjoy this video, and remember, take that first step today.